Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have for you this amazing cake with apple, walnuts and a bit of brown sugar. A marvelous dessert that is super easy to prepare, and I will show you how I made it. I need apples, 4 or 5 apples. These ones aren't that big, but they will be perfect. 2 eggs, 300 grams of yogurt, natural yogurt, 150 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter. I want to give more flavor, so I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 180 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This package is a bit too big, so I'm going to use only 2 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and walnuts. First, I prepare my cake form, and I line it up with baking paper, and as you can see, I sprinkle that brown sugar, and we'll let this aside. I washed the apples and I'm gonna peel them now. And using this tool I will remove the core. If you don't have this, with a small knife remove the core. Proceed the same way with the other apples. Just wash them, peel them, and remove the core. I will slice them up thinly now. You can use a mandolin, I just used a knife. Caramelized pickled apples. Now grab your cake form and put apples at the base of the cake form, overlapping them a bit, making sure that you're gonna cover all the surface, all the base of this cake form. Might seem a lot of apples, but while they will start to bake, lots of liquid will come off, and the balance between apples and sponge cake will be perfect. Sprinkle walnuts on top of apples now. I added about 5 to 6 tablespoons. And I'm gonna put these aside, and I'm gonna start preheating the oven at 180 Celsius, about 350 Fahrenheit. So let's make that sponge cake. I will add eggs in a bowl. You can use the mixer for this. I'm just gonna use a simple whisk, and this is not gonna take too long to prepare this. Start beating up those eggs, adding sugar gradually. Continue to mix until the sugar starts to dissolve and the color of the egg will start to change as well, until we're gonna have like a creamy yellow color. I melted butter in a microwave, so now I'm gonna add it over the eggs. I made sure that I let it cool down before add it over eggs. Add yogurt. I chose natural yogurt, like a Greek type of yogurt. I don't like the one with flavorings and added sugar, so just simple natural yogurt. And thanks to this yogurt and that butter that we added, the cake will be really nice and moist. Add vanilla, about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Oh, I remember I wanted to add a bit of cinnamon on top of apples because, of course, apple goes perfectly with cinnamon unless you're allergic. Add baking powder over the eggs and start adding flour. Mix it in until it's well incorporated. Pour now the batter on top of apples and put the cake in the oven. Let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool down. Make sure to level the batter on top of apples as uniform as you can with a spatula. Looks and smells amazing. As you can see, a bit of juices from the apples, and with that brown sugar came spilling. But I let the cake cool down completely and turn it upside down. Remove the baking paper. It's absolutely delicious. Brown sugar with the juice from apples just transformed into caramel. Yes, yes, the magic word, caramel. Remove the ring, the metal ring. And the cake is ready to be served. Keep it in the fridge to be nice and chilled. You can serve it with whipped cream, a bit of nutmeg, a bit of cinnamon sprinkled on top, or custard or even ice cream if that's what you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Leave in the comment section a slice of cake, and I hope you're gonna try the recipe. Until next time, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.